Hello, it's Tuesday, so that means another weekly stamping collab, and the theme is do it for YouTube. Here are the pics of the ladies that participated in this collab. So let's get started with my video. The two shades I'm using is this creamy white with like sparkle, and it's Aspen from Zoya, and then the red one does have shimmer as well, and it's Amal from Zoya as well. The plate I am using is Your Beautiful 13, and I'm using two images, this one here with the heart and then another one that is right here in the corner with the little scrolls. So I am going to be stamping this French style image on the red nails, and then the one with the heart is going to be on the ring fingernail. Now for the YouTube logo inspired, I am using this image here that I said before. First, I want to get the design that is around the center rectangle. So I'm going in with black stamping polish from BornPrettyStore. I am removing that rectangle in the center because all I want is the image that is around it first. Then with that same red polish, I go in and all I want to pick up is that rectangle from the center. So I'm removing all the unwanted design around the rectangle, and then I shade it in with the red polish because I only want a rectangle shape. And then for the center of the red rectangle, I am going to be adding on this triangle rhinestone to mimic the YouTube logo that is a white triangle. So I'm adding this stone, and that is all for this set. And here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and don't forget to check the other ladies' designs too. Their links will be in the description box below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.